Hello, this is the demonstration for JR Automation Smart Switches panel. As you can see, these are beautifully designed switches which come in various sizes and modules. This is a completely customizable product which can be customized to the extent of bezels, the screen overlay, and the icons. To quickly show you how this thing works, some of these switches also come with high power devices supporting 32 amps connections such as your geysers and AC. In addition to this, you also get customizable backlit colors which you can choose from up to 9 options. The switches also include dimmer modules which can be controlled with just a touch of finger. GR smart switches are also available in Z-Wave and Wi-Fi protocols, which work with hubs such as Fibaro, Hogar, and couple more options. These switches come pre-integrated with fan modules. They also come pre-integrated with curtain modules and dimmer modules. So you can choose and customize the product the way you want. In terms of bezel, there are multiple color options which are available. You can choose from plastic frame. You can choose from CNC frame, which is a CNC option available with respect to aluminum finishes. And a bezel-less option is also available in Wi-Fi switches. The response is instantaneous, and these also work with your voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. To quickly show you, here we have an option to control the fan with speed control. And we can also customize scenes using one of these switches, such as welcome home, door unlock, and couple other options. One more very interesting feature that this product includes is the photon sensor, which auto dims the light in case the room lux levels reduce, so that it doesn't hurt your eyes while you're sleeping. It returns to normal when the lighting condition improves to improve the visibility of the switches and the icons. To know more about these smart switches, contact us.